Hi folks, welcome back. In this video, we are doing this is the second part of the video. We are doing it. We are going to collect the temperature sensor data and show it on the NodeRed. Now, we already done the setup, hardware setup, everything is done. Now, next step, in this step, what exactly we are doing? The NodeRed flow part. In NodeRed flow, we are going to set up the nodes on NodeRed and get the temperature sensor real time, data real time onto the screen. Let us do that. So let us go to my NodeRed. I already explained how to get to here in my previous video. You have to key in the IP address of your Raspberry Pi to port 1880. Once it is done, it will load up your NodeReds here. Then now, in the first time, let us say, when you start NodeRed, it will ask user ID and password. Set it up, user ID and password. After that, it won't ask. Okay. Now type in this IP address here, and which it will load your NodeRed software. We already talked about the palettes you need, DHT sensor, Watson's, and dashboard. These are the three main ones you need to add. They won't come with default. Okay. The first step is get this inject node. Then your DHT sensor. This will automatically come here. And next is let us add for the dashboard also these guys, gauge and chart and debug to see the data here. So now connect these guys like this and connect to debug, connect the output of the sensor to gauge, move it here. You can move, this is like this, and chart also you can move. Okay. So temperature, this how frequently you want to trigger your transactions, right? To read your data from the, let us do it for every second we want to read it. Okay, I'll set it up like that and set up your DHT. As I told you in the previous video, I have my DHT11 is on GPIO 18 on my Raspberry Pi. Okay. And that's how you set up. You click on this and this is the pin number you want to set up and what pin you connected your DHT11 to your Raspberry Pi. That's what you have to set it up like this. Okay, I'm done, and we'll display everything instead of payload. Payload means only one value will come up, and we have temperature and humidity also there. That will print in the debugging screen. The next is gauge. How to show the gauge? Gauge is let me label it as temperature. The Celsius. Yes, the maximum temperature is 100. And chart, we'll do the same thing here also. Okay. Let me put this one at debug screen and we'll deploy it. Once this configuration is done, we'll deploy it. Then we can see. Deploying is done. See, now the data is coming from your sensor, 25 degrees, 24, like that. So now how to see this one on a dashboard, right? Now you will be seeing it in a dashboard, intranet dashboard. How you see it? Go to this port when everything is same, like Raspberry Pi IP address, port number, /UI. The command is type in UI, will come, your dashboard will come up. That's what it is. This is what we want to see. Now what I do is I'm going to blow hot air on this temperature sensor and we'll see what happens. See folks, that is what it is, right? So you are seeing the data real time, how it is going up. There is no programming involved. Now you can see your data real time. And now in the next video, we are going to show, right now this is in your local network. Whatever you are seeing it, this is limited to your local network. You can't see it on anywhere in the world, right? So next video will show how to see this data on real time anywhere in the world. So we have to move this one to cloud. We have to transfer this data to cloud real time. We'll see in the next video how to do that.